4G TDD LTE, bands 1/2/3/4/5. /8/9/12/17/18/19/20/26/28/32 4G TDD LTE, bands 34/38/39/43 GWCDMA, bands 1/2/5/8/4/6/19 3G TDS, bands 34/39 2G GSM, bands 2/3/5/850/900/1800 1900ths GSM only. Leica quad main camera, 40MP plus 20MP plus 8MP plus TOF cameras. The Leica quad camera and the latest light fusion sensor technology create breathtaking photos in extreme low light and nighttime conditions. All new HUAWEI 3D modeling and 3D object interaction, dance with scanned objects. 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM, Kirin 980, 4200 mAh battery, dual SIM.